You want to be a data scientist in 2025? Let me guess, you've seen the job titles, the crazy salaries, maybe a clip of someone saying, I trained a model to predict pizza orders, and you're thinking, I want in. Cool. But let's break the hype and talk real. First, what is data science? At its core, it's about taking messy, raw data, the kind that looks like digital soup, and turning it into insights that actually help businesses make decisions. It's not just numbers, it's patterns, predictions, and storytelling. But here's where most people get it wrong. They think becoming a data scientist means learning one thing, like Python, and then boom, you're hired. Nope. That's like learning to hold a scalpel and calling yourself a surgeon. So let's walk through what the real roadmap looks like. Start with the basics. Math. Not rocket science, but you do need to understand statistics and a bit of linear algebra, stuff like probability, mean, median, variance, standard deviation, because these aren't just formulas. They're how you make sense of the world in data. Next, programming. You need Python. Not maybe. Not I'll learn it later. Python is the language of data science. Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, these are your new best friends. And no, you don't need to be a coding ninja, but you do need to get comfortable writing scripts, cleaning data, analyzing it, and visualizing trends. Then comes SQL, databases. Because where do you think the data lives? Knowing how to query and pull data is just as important as analyzing it. Now, once you've got those down, it's time to level up. Machine learning. This is the fun part. You'll learn about models that can predict, classify, and cluster. Algorithms like decision trees, random forests, linear regression, logistic regression, k-means, and so on. But here's the trap. Don't just learn the what. Understand the why. When to use which model, what your data is telling you, and how to tune a model properly. And you can't skip projects. Build real ones, not just the Titanic dataset everyone does. Try predicting something unique. Maybe NBA game outcomes, or forecasting stock prices, or analyzing Spotify playlists. That's what makes your portfolio stand out. That's how recruiters say, okay, this person gets it. Now, soft skills. Yes, soft skills. Communication is huge. If you can't explain what your model found in plain English to someone non-technical, your work loses impact. You're not just a coder. You're a translator between data and decisions. Also, learn some tools companies actually use. Jupyter Notebooks, Google Colab, Git for version control, Power BI, or Tableau for dashboards. These make your life and your job easier. But here's the harsh truth. The job market is tough right now. Everyone wants a data scientist title, but few are ready to put in the hours it actually takes. You will get rejected. A lot. That's normal. Don't quit. And one last thing, don't chase trends blindly. Focus on building skills that help you think better, work better, and solve problems. You'll make it, one project at a time. Let me know where you are in your data journey in the comments. We're all figuring it out. But trust me, you're not alone.